Kikubor hati paman nakasngi Sngewthuh subscribe ya udon bok official production. Ka Voice of the People Party VPP ka aya ka cingero ya usung kenor jong ka dorbar tauan jong ka Meghalaya bat ya ka Sorkar MDA2 namar ba khaddo ya wai kila Sngewthuh ba ka Meghalaya kamdai ka cerla ka bakren da ka Ktien Hindi. Kacing mencur jong kiban bu ya udu basia lane u translator ador bar thoan haksngi ba onlat onkren kadai kacing penskem ya kanong rem bat ya kacing dawa jong ke VPP ka VPP ka ai kacing kublai ya kacing slur bat kanong rem baskem jong ki MLA kaseng halor kanika kam bat ka ai ya kacing kurku kerdo iaki ha kacing persyang ka jong ki ban chakri tangi kepat ba jong ki constituency Hendrai ya kacelahi barak away kentup ya ki konstituensi jong kitu ki badan hakaliang sensyar. Bat laru bat penkenmal ne ba kesien jong dorbar mang tangka haus nam arca arfulai usong kenor bat ka Sorkar cela klisuda rajot bat penbor ya ki ba jong kacela ban sengap ya kacingkren jong ulat hak Ktien hakaba Kim Sngewthuh kaba dai ru ka Ktien kablai thu tane katak official language jong kacela.
Down, we condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior that is expected of an elected member. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior expected of the elected member. The Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Governor is addressing the House.
Stop the governor.
The Honourable Governor is addressing the House.
We are truly representing the voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of behavior that is expected
of the people.
Of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept to be imposed.
Otherwise, I will.
I'm not accepting this kind of position from Delhi. They are sending Hindi-speaking governors to us. We don't understand what they are talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
This is an insulting for the state.
Walk out कर गए। कोई बात नहीं। राज्य सरकार स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा के